on my way to a real American store in Warsaw. Now, I've lived in Warsaw for about 5 years, and usually I can find some American products, and sometimes I can't. So I have wonderful friends, you know who you are, that have visited me or have sent me American stuff. Either they visited me and brought me things, or they sent me things. So thank you already in advance for all the lovely gifts I've received so I can cook American and live in Poland. But now my friend Marisha, she showed me today at work a fabulous website, and it's an American shop, and we're gonna go shopping for American things.
So Marisha, what are you gonna get today at the American store?
I'm gonna have Lucky Charms,
Okay.
obviously, and I think I thought I was going by pumpkin puree, but I think I will wait just a little bit more till November.
Are you sure you don't want to have a pumpkin pie?
I'm making a pumpkin pie every year for
Oh.
Thanksgiving.
Oh my! Now,
Yeah.
are you from America? Or are you...
No, I'm
Polish.
I just
But
love
you-
America.
Well, great, because look where
That
we're
makes
at.
me sound like a psycho.
No, but look where
Yeah.
we're at. Look where we're at.
Yeah.
Hello there. I'm so happy to be here in the American store. So happy. Look at all this. They even have Halloween candy if that's your thing. And Ben and Jerry's ice cream. I will live and not die. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yes. Cards. I'm so excited. My gosh. Look at this Doritos. It's Doritos with Twizzlers.
Whole shelf of
Oh
Twizzlers.
my gosh. I will live and not die. Look at this. I'm super, oh my gosh. I can finally make s'mores. Look at this. Look at those prices. Now you look at this price. 19 zloty. Divide that by 3.
Prices are not the best, but they have to. I asked the owners why the prices are so high. They're shipping it straight from US on a plane. Yeah, they're imported.
Okay, so after a long debate of what to get for my first time in the American store, Marisha, today it's gonna be Cheez-Its. They're 7 zlotys. Divide that by 3, and that's how much it is American. It's worth it. Yeah. So I just found out Marisha's never had a Cheez-It before. Oh, look, there's the American flag, just in case you were wondering that this could possibly be like an American embassy. Not really. We're actually just in the American store having some Cheez-Its. So, Marisha, go for it.
First one. It's great.
Do you know that she's lived her whole life without having one of these?
It's my first Cheez-It.
And it's great.
It's great. Really? Can I have it now?
Yeah, of course.
This is a Polish version of pumpkin spice latte. That's right. Because you know, it's October. I'm sorry I'm dating this film, but it is October, which means it's time for pumpkin spice lattes. We're going to take these lattes out the door into the lovely Warsaw fall day. Thank you ladies so much for everything. And here we go. Do widzenia.